Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to disable read receipt on WhatsApp. Now this is actually the blue tick that displays when somebody have read your message. Now this is actually what I mean. So on your WhatsApp, whenever somebody send you a message, right, it shows this blue tick, this two check icon. So if you disable this, whenever you receive a message, it will no longer display, and whenever you send message to the person, it will no longer display. So just know that if you set this option or if you enable this option, it's going to work for both of you. Now to enable this option, go to the menu area, click on the three-dotted icon on the left hand area, you go to the settings, and then you scroll to privacy, you click on that, and now you are going to notice where it says read receipt. Now click on it to disable it, and you can also click on it to enable it whenever you want, but this is actually disabled. So from now on, whenever I receive a message, it is no longer going to display as a read message. So this is actually how it works. If you have challenges doing this, let me know, and after you've done that, just go ahead and close it because it actually saves automatically. So I'm going to show you guys more tips on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, follow, and I will see you for the next one. Stay safe and peace.